exploring the world of computer vision and image recognition. Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Tech and AI Explained. Have you ever thought about how computers see the world? Well, that's where computer vision and image processing come into play. These technologies serve as the eyes and brains of computers, helping them understand and interpret images and videos. They make sense of visual information, and their applications are far-reaching, impacting various aspects of our lives. But before starting the video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates. The real-world marvels of computer vision and image processing. Let's delve deeper into how computer vision and image processing work their magic in real-life scenarios. In the world of healthcare, imagine a world where doctors and healthcare professionals have the power to spot diseases and health conditions just by looking at images. Thanks to the remarkable capabilities of computer vision and image processing, that world exists. When a patient undergoes an X-ray, CT scan, or MRI, these technologies come into play. They analyze the images, automatically detecting abnormalities, segmenting organs and tissues, and quantifying physiological parameters. This not only helps in making more accurate diagnoses, but also enables personalized treatment plans for patients. Computer vision and image processing technologies are crucial in saving lives and improving healthcare outcomes. Enhancing transportation with self-driving cars. The concept of self-driving cars has been a dream for many, and computer vision and image processing are turning that dream into reality. These technologies are the eyes and brains of autonomous vehicles. Through a network of cameras and sensors, self-driving cars see the road, recognize traffic signs, pedestrians, and other vehicles, and make real-time decisions about navigating the environment. It's like having a tech co-pilot that ensures a safe and smooth ride. The potential impact of this technology extends to reducing traffic accidents and making transportation more efficient. Security and surveillance. In an era where safety is paramount, computer vision and image processing are crucial in keeping us safe. Surveillance cameras use these technologies to analyze footage and detect suspicious activity. They can automatically identify and track people and objects, recognize faces, and alert security personnel when something unusual occurs. Whether monitoring a crowded public space or securing a sensitive facility, these tech tricks act as vigilant digital security guards, ensuring our safety. Adding excitement to entertainment. The world of entertainment is the same with computer vision and image processing contributions. These technologies are the secret ingredients that make movies, video games, and augmented reality experiences come to life. They create immersive environments, stunning visual effects, and interactive adventures. When watching a blockbuster film or being immersed in a virtual reality game, you're witnessing the incredible capabilities of computer vision and image magic. These technologies add that extra layer of excitement, taking storytelling and gaming to new heights. Unveiling the secrets of image processing techniques. Now, let's explore the bag of image processing techniques that make all of this possible. Filtering. Think of filtering as a way to give images special glasses. These glasses allow you to modify the intensity values of pixels in a snap. In practical terms, you can enhance specific features or remove unwanted noise from an image. It's like fine-tuning a photo to make it look its best. Segmentation. Segmentation is dividing an image into different regions or objects. It's like slicing a picture into pieces to identify distinct structures or elements within the image. Scientists use segmentation to count cells in microscope images, and it's also invaluable in satellite imagery for tracking land use changes. Feature extraction. Imagine being a magnifying glass detective searching for unique clues in a picture. That's what feature extraction does. It identifies specific patterns or details within an image, which can be used for classifying or recognizing objects. Think of it as solving a visual puzzle where you're uncovering hidden gems. Object recognition. Object recognition takes image processing to the next level. It's like giving your camera the ability to take photos and identify what's in those photos. This technology is responsible for your phone's facial recognition feature, which can unlock your device by recognizing your face. It can also distinguish between a cat and a dog in a photograph, making it a valuable tool in various applications. Registration. If you've ever worked on a jigsaw puzzle, you understand the registration concept. It involves aligning multiple images of the same scene to create a seamless, panoramic image. It's like putting together puzzle pieces that are slightly different, resulting in a unified and coherent view. Registration is also helpful for removing motion artifacts from videos, making your home movies look smoother and more professional. The expanding horizons of computer vision and image processing. As technology advances, the horizons of computer vision and image processing are expanding. New applications and innovations are constantly emerging, further solidifying their importance daily. Here are some additional areas where these technologies are making a significant impact. Agriculture. In the agricultural sector, computer vision improves crop management. Drones equipped with cameras can capture images of fields, and image processing techniques can analyze these images to detect crop diseases, monitor plant health, and optimize irrigation. Retail and e-commerce. Computer vision transforms the retail industry by enabling cashier-less stores and improving inventory management. Image recognition technology can identify products on store shelves and automatically charge customers as they leave, streamlining the shopping experience. Augmented reality. Augmented reality applications, such as those on smartphones and smart glasses, rely heavily on computer vision. These applications overlay digital information and graphics onto the real world, enhancing our interactions with the environment. Environmental monitoring. Environmental scientists use computer vision to monitor natural landscapes and wildlife. This technology aids in wildlife conservation efforts by tracking animal populations and studying their behavior. Document analysis. In offices and administrative settings, applications utilize optical character recognition (OCR) and other image processing techniques to digitize and extract information from documents, making data retrieval and analysis more efficient. The future of computer vision and image processing. Computer vision and picture processing have a lot of great things in store for the future. As technology improves, these fields will become more critical in many areas of our lives and businesses. Here are some exciting possibilities on the horizon. Advanced healthcare diagnostics. Computer vision will continue to advance medical diagnostics, potentially identifying even more complex diseases and conditions at an earlier stage. AI-powered image analysis may become a routine part of healthcare, improving patient outcomes. More innovative transportation systems. Self-driving cars and intelligent transportation systems will become more prevalent, reducing traffic congestion, improving road safety, and making transportation more accessible for people with disabilities. Enhanced security. Enhanced facial recognition and object tracking will improve security measures in public spaces and online. This will aid law enforcement agencies in identifying and apprehending criminals more efficiently. Virtual reality. Virtual reality experiences will become even more immersive and lifelike thanks to advancements in computer vision. Gamers and enthusiasts can look forward to more realistic and interactive virtual worlds. Environmental conservation. Computer vision will assist in environmental monitoring and conservation efforts. It will be used to track climate change, wildlife populations, and the health of ecosystems, contributing to a more sustainable planet. Space exploration. As humanity ventures further into space, computer vision will be critical for analyzing and interpreting the vast amount of visual data collected from other planets and celestial bodies. Computer vision and image processing are the tech magicians that are shaping our world in profound ways. These technologies are at the heart of many innovations and continue to evolve, opening up new possibilities and reshaping our future. These innovative tech skills are transforming the world we see and the experiences we enjoy, and as technology progresses, their influence will only grow. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to hit the like button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming videos. Your support means a lot to us. Take care until the next one, and feel free to drop a comment sharing your thoughts. See you soon.